Are you a business owner looking to streamline your work, get more efficient, reach more people, potentially save time, make more money, and have a broader audience? This is possible whenever you start to go digital in your business. And this doesn't necessarily mean moving your business 100% online, but I think every single business owner out there would like to get more efficient and do better and get faster at the things that they do to free their time up to do other things, whether it's giving you free time away from your business or to work on other things in your business. And I'm going to be talking about 10 ways that you can do this using various different types of tools and strategies and going digital. Online payments and sale pages. If you don't have it, get it. Lead magnets for attracting potential clients and being able to follow up, collecting contact information so you can be proactive to get your clients. This is really important. Automated email funnels. We waste so much time on emails, generating emails, writing emails. Whatever you can, being able to automate emails is going to save you time. Live video is a great way to make things personal, build trust, build a connection with your audience. These are all the things that are going to help them decide that they want to invest their time and money in working with you. Very powerful. Also, digital brochures, digital handouts, worksheets. You can use this for your clients, for your students, and also for marketing purposes. Being able to share online, you're going to have a bigger and wider audience. If you're going to share things online like that, you need a way to share, and a nice, easy way is to have a customized URL, such as my elitecanineathlete.com, where they go directly there, click on it, they can download and access your free resources or your paid resources. Number 7 is videos with voiceovers. I think that is the quickest and easiest way to do online video trainings and tutorials, is to do either raw video footage or PowerPoint lectures and do a voiceover and record and turn it into a video. Great way to start doing your online content, mini courses and trainings. Number 8 is an online course platform. Remember, you don't have to have an online course to benefit from an online course platform. It's a nice way to be able to protect your content, have individual people, they have their own login to access it. You can use it to store and share documents, handouts, worksheets, create a video library. So a lot of powerful ways to use this in addition to offering online courses. Number 9 is having a customer relationship software that you use to store, to access your client data and to communicate with your clients. It's going to be more efficient. You can do more targeted messaging, and you can collect data to see who's been following you, who's opening their emails, who needs to be contacted, who needs to be dropped and say goodbye to. And this will give you all that information to help you make those decisions and reach out to them. And then finally, if you're moving into the digital world, you need extra storage space. You will grow, especially if you're doing things like a video, lots of large brochures, PDF files. Chances are you will probably max out your computer space if that's the only place you're relying on to store your data. So always back up your computer, but you probably want to look at additional storage space so you don't max out your computer and then it's not working properly. So there you go. Those are the 10 things for today that I wanted to cover to help you in working more efficiently, effectively, saving time, reaching a broader audience, and attracting people for building and growing and expanding your business. Thank you so much for joining, and I will hopefully see you next Friday. And if you're watching this as a video replay, if it's helpful and informative, please feel free to share it with others. Thank you again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.